What's up, mother lovers? Okay, so we're gonna be reacting to Pablo's busking videos in BGC. It came out a few days ago, and it's an awesome event that I wish I was able to witness, di ba? This is an awesome look on Pablo as an artist playing with a band in public in BGC, and hindi pinakita yung crowd eh. I don't know how many people were able to watch this. Pero parang hindi ganun kadami kasi kung madami talaga nandito na sa likod eh. So it might have been an unannounced event, and the people who were there were very lucky to see it. I don't know, baka may ticket pala to. Yeah, let me know, guys, how this materialized. But let's listen. Wag na nating patagalin to. Okay, I wonder pang ilang song na to. Kalimutan Ka by Skastatli. I suppose he's the only one here in this event. Paano niya kaya, binook? Kaya nagpabook kaya siya or what? Okay. This is a simple song. Pablo should be able to kill this effortlessly. Pero itong kantang to kasi it's a very emotional song. Okay. Okay, nagyan niya ng mga vibrato. Hindi ko kabisado to eh. Okay, chill lang yung pagkakanta niya, di ba? Hindi pa lumalabas yung mga Pablo-isms masyado. Kalimutan ka. May meme yan eh. Ito na. He's warmed up with the song. Nice. Beautiful, steady technique. He's not putting a lot of he's not putting strain at all. Maybe later pag yung mga madiin na parts. Ito na. Okay, bumabelo na si Pablo. Hanggang sa huli. Ayan na, ayan na. Nomi muna ng beg to Pablo. Hanapin natin yun. Ito na. Let's go, Pablo. Let's go. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Naya ka. Alright. Kasi the thing with artists, when singers hear a popular song like Kalimutan Ka, 'di ba? And when you like a song enough na parang kinakanta mo siya, nakabisado mo siya, and eto performing it in a busking gig, then that means you gotta really like the song. Meron certain extent of you liking the song. Okay? And pag bumaon kasi sa utak mo yung kanta ng melody, na tapos matagal mo na siyang kinakanta, 'di ba? Kahit sa utak mo lang, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong interpretation eh. Kasi the way he sang it is different dun sa version ni Skastakli. Maganda rin naman yung kay Skastakli. This is how Pablo hears the song, how he would alter it kung kanya yung kanta, 'di ba? Ako'y di mo na makita. Yun yung variation niya. Yung sa original kasi, ako'y di mo na makita. Parang ganun eh. Yung sa kanya, ako'y di mo na makita. Teka. Ano ulit? Ko. Ayun pala. Ako'y di mo na makita. Ang dami niyang bali, 'di ba? Ako'y di mo na makita. 'Di ba? So, that's how he plays the song in his head. Dinagdagan niya ng oh, wow, wow. Di mo na. Hindi siya masyadong hindi niya nilagyan ng gigil masyado dito sa kantang to. And interesting yung ginawa niya sa ending eh. Dito sa I was expecting he's gonna use his Pablo voice. You know what that is? Yung boses niya sa ilaw, 'di ba? But he wants to play it chill this afternoon. Yun lang ata ang ginawa niya, yung Pablo voice niya. Yeah. Masilayan ka. Ayoko nang mata mo'y masilayan ka. That's how he plays it. It's an interesting choice. Kasi ang original nun parang mata mo'y masilayan ko. Parang ganun eh, 'di ba? Actually, hindi pala ganun. Maybe that's how I would do it. But doon kay Skastakli parang mata mo'y masilayan ko. Parang ganun lang eh. So, kay Pablo, he wanted to belt it. Alright. Easy peasy for this song. This is it's a fun song to sing in a busking gig. Kasi yun nga, simple lang. It's popular. A lot of people know it. I would say it's a very Gen Z song, 'di ba? Parang katumbas niyan yung mga siguro lang na-imagine ko lang yung mga parang ako'y sayo, ika'y sa'kin nung kapanahunan ni Comics Man, 'di ba? So, I suppose as expected, this is an easy song for Pablo and it's fun to watch him do these kinds of gigs every now and then, and hopefully maging mas uso pa, 'di ba? And I appreciate that Pablo naiisip niya pang gawin yung mga bagay na to, because here in the Philippines he's a huge superstar. Nakakatuwa na this is still an idea na open para sa kanya. Okay, yun lang. Paalam.